Most of what you're doing in the stock market is gambling. Predicting the movement of the price of a stock is not different from predicting which team wins in sports betting. The painful truth? The stock market is a system of transferring money from gamblers to real, actual investors. And I can tell that most of your hard-earned money have been transferred to other smart investors before you saw this video. Nevertheless, these 5 dangerous lessons I learned from The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham will recalibrate your mind and properly position you for massive wealth creation as you start investing with intentionality, instead of guessing or gambling. The 5th lesson is the most dangerous. So, don't go anywhere until you finish this video. Let's dive in. Number 1. Invest. Don't gamble or speculate. Now, there is a difference between a speculator and an investor. A speculator predicts what the market is going to do, but an investor positions strategically before the market moves. Don't buy a stock simply because you think its price will rise or because a lot of people are talking about the stock on social media. This doesn't mean you should ignore the news. A trending news is just not enough reason to buy a stock. Study and understand the nature of the business that the company does. Find out whether or not its products are in constant demands in the market. And don't forget to ask if the company is making profits or just simply existing. Now here's the take home. A speculator buys almost any stock that they think its price will rise tomorrow for reasons that may not be good enough. Yet they are willing to take the risk because of the bogus gains that they stand to earn if things go their way. But an actual investor finds fundamentally solid companies whose products are being consumed daily or regularly by a large population and are consistently making profits and growing from one year to another. Number 2. Control your emotions. The market constantly moves between fear and greed. When the price of a stock goes up, most people become happy and greedy for more gains. But when prices fall, everyone becomes fearful and sell off even fundamentally solid stocks. Don't panic when prices fall or become overly excited when prices rise. Set a targeted entry and exit price. Then, stick to the plan no matter what, except in rare cases. Number 3. Buy at a reasonable price. A great company can still be a bad investment if you pay too much. Price matters. Don't forget, the price of a stock never moves upward indefinitely. Prices go up, down, and sideways. You can buy a fundamentally solid stock at a price where it is currently overvalued and lose part of your investment when the price retraces back to match its actual value. So, ensure to find out if a stock is cheap, fairly priced, undervalued, or overvalued before you buy. Number 4. Always have a margin of safety. Leave room for mistakes. Don't invest based on the assumption that everything will go perfectly. Buying below your estimated value gives you a cushion against being wrong. Ideally, it is very risky to buy a stock at its 52-week high or all-time high regions in most cases. It is better to wait for a fairly reasonable entry region, somewhere below the price regions, where most investors start to take profit in order to avoid being the victim. Number 5. Think long-term. Successful investing isn't about getting rich quickly. Be patient, diversify, avoid unnecessary speculation, and let your money compound over time. The mystery about the compound effect is that at first things look slow, but after a while, the big break just happens suddenly. Now here's a quick recap. Don't try to predict the market. Buy quality investments at sensible prices. Control your emotions. Protect yourself from major losses and give your investments time to grow. Finally, please note, this is a simplified educational summary, not financial advice. Investing involves risk, and you should conduct your own research or consult a professional financial advisor before making investment decisions.